In this video, I will show you how to use Zenbusiness for your LLC formation. So Zenbusiness is one of the best LLC formation services out there, and you can do it completely for free, and all you need to pay for is the state fees. So it's literally free to use and it will save you a bunch of time. However, they do have some add-ons that cost money and you don't need those, but they are very helpful. So in this video, I'm just gonna go over what those are if you need them and what I would personally do. Now, first, what I'd like to show you here on Trustpilot, Zenbusiness has 15,000 reviews, 4.7 stars out of 5. So it's a great tool. So I 100% recommend it. And if you want to follow along with what exactly I will show you in this video, then I do have an affiliate link that I will leave down in the description, and that will take you directly to the Create Your LLC page on Zenbusiness. So if you want to follow along and help support the channel, go and click on the link down in the description to take you to this page right here. Now here, all you need to do is enter your preferred business name. Then go and click on Start an LLC. Now here they will have a couple of questions for you. Now here there are a couple steps that you want to go ahead and take. So first you want to share info about your business. Then step number 2, learn about LLC requirements. Then choose your package, and again they have a completely free one. Then you can see their recommended products and you can review and check out. So let's get started by clicking on Let's Do It. Now first let's confirm your business details. So enter your business name, and here you can now choose the formation state. So if you click on this downward arrow, you will see all the states that are available, and of course it's every single state. So let's say I want to form mine in South Carolina, then I can go and click on that and then click next. Now by the way, it is recommended to select your actual state right here and not just take the one with the lowest fees, because that will be complicated in terms of taxes and filing the reports. So therefore I would personally select my own state. So then go and click next. Now how much experience do you have running a business? I'll say some and click next. Now will your business have employees in the first year? So here you just want to go ahead and guess. If you think no, then of course select no. If it is yes, either select 1 to 5 employees or 6 plus. Now for this example, I'm gonna go with yes, 1 to 5. And then will your business address be different from your home address? Now this could be good to have a different business address, such as a post box, because your LLC address will be part of the public domain and people can just look that up. So if you don't want your home address to be public, then I would go and select yes right here, and then you can rent, for example, a mailbox, or you have an office or something like that. So I'm gonna go with yes and click next. Now how far along is your business? Is it already making money, launching soon, or planning for the future? I'm gonna go with launching soon. Now what are your business goals? We'll go with primary income. And then what kind of business are you forming? So go and select the industry that you are in. So for example, I will go with real estate. So then go and click on next. Now here, do you want to save your progress? I would recommend clicking on save my progress and continue. And then here, in order to save your progress, just create your account by entering your first and last name and then your email and phone number. Now when forming an LLC, you will need to have a registered agent. Now Zenbusiness can do this for you, and I do recommend that you get Zenbusiness to do this for you, since it's just a lot easier and it will save you some time. However, if you already have a different registered agent, then you could go with I will appoint my own registered agent, but I'm gonna go with appoint Zenbusiness. This is also recommended. You can see right here why it is recommended, so you can go and check that out if you want, but then just go and click on next. Now here they have different packages that you can choose from. So again, they have a completely free one, and that's the starter package here, and you do always need to pay for the state filing fee, but that's out of Zenbusiness's control, so they charge $0 for this package, where they will file your LLC in 2 to 3 weeks. You get a 100% accuracy guarantee and worry-free compliance. Now a reason to upgrade to either Pro or Premium, which are $199 per year and $349 per year respectively, is that you will get, for example, faster filing. In the Pro one you get 1 to 2 business days. Then you also get the operating agreement, which you do need, and an employer ID number, which you also need. However, you can also go out and get this yourself, but that will take you quite a lot of time, and if you really want to make sure it's done correctly, then personally I would do it through Zenbusiness, since they are professionals at this, and setting up your LLC you just need to do once and then it is done. So then in Premium you also get the business document templates, a website builder, a domain name with privacy, and a business email address. So this is also a great package, but you can pick any of them. They claim Pro has the best value. Now personally I'll just go with Pro in this example, since I want the extremely fast 1 to 2 business day filing, and I would also like to have the operating agreement and employer ID number being created for me. Now when you scroll down a bit, you will see all the details, so you also have some add-ons. For example, if you still want the business document templates in the Pro plan, and that's a $99 add-on. Now the website builder, $15 per month, domain name $35 per year, business business email address, also 25 per year. So now you can go and click on next. Now here you can protect your personal assets with business banking. So this is only $5 per month, and here's what you should know. A business bank account separates and protects personal assets, which is of course important. Then there's no opening deposit required and no balance to maintain. It can easily apply in just a few clicks. So this is probably worth it because this takes away a lot of the risk for you personally. And $5 per month is not a lot for a bank account. So I'll say no thanks for the example. However, if I was actually forming my LLC right now, I would add the banking as an option, although you can also go and form your business bank account yourself outside of Zenbusiness. So then after choosing what you want, just go and click next right here. Now you can save time and money with Money Pro Bookkeeping. So this is a Zenbusiness add-on, and they claim their software finds an average of $5,600 in tax savings and makes tax time easier. It helps you track your business expenses like mileage from business trips, and you can send invoices to get paid faster. So this service is another $30 per month. I'm gonna add this on, since if you calculate $30 per month and $5,600, you can see that's quite worth it. So I'm gonna go with Add Money Pro and click next. Now you can also get online with an easy to use website builder that they offer. However, there are of course many website builders out there, although it is easy to have all of this just in one place. So you can add the website builder if you want. I'm gonna go with no thanks since I already have a website, and I'll click next. Now here you can add the business documents, which is very helpful. These are 25 document templates that were created by legal experts to help you run your business in a structured and compliant way. And you get templates for liability waivers, employment agreements, contract proposals, and more. So this could be very helpful and will save you some time. So I'll just add them on, but you can also click no thanks of course. So then go to click next. Now here we will get to the overview where you can simply go ahead and review your info. Now again, they have a 100% accuracy guarantee, so pretty much nothing can go wrong using Zenbusiness. So go ahead and review all of this info, make sure that it's all correct, and then you can click continue to review order. Now here you'll see the total due today. So this is 1 year of subscription upfront, and the Pro LLC plan, which I chose, is $199 per year, and this gets you everything that we went over in the packages. So for example, the registered agent service is included in this, and I also chose the Pro LLC package to get the employer ID number, the operating agreement, and the rush filing. So that's very helpful. Now I chose not to include banking. You can of course. Then I got the Zenbusiness Money Pro. I didn't get the website builder. I did get documents, etc. So make sure all of this is correct, and you can always still change it. For example, if I decide that I do want the website builder, then I can click edit and then click add website builder if I want. Now for now you can click continue to payment, and then right here you can simply pay by entering your card information and completing the setup of your account by entering your password here. And then all you need to do is click place order for this amount, what it says for you right there. And this could literally only be the state filing fee if you went with all of the cheapest options. So it can be super cheap because in some states you also only need to pay about $35 for the filing fee. So this could be as low as $35. However, to save myself some time, I got some of the add-ons and the Pro LLC package. Now after you pay for this, what will happen is Zenbusiness is actually gonna go out and set up your LLC, and I'll show you right here on the zenbusiness.com website. In the top right you can click on login, and then you can simply go and log in using the email and the password that you used when doing the LLC formation. So just gonna sign in right here, and then you will get an overview of what's happening. You will get your business documents, you will get your EIN and your operating agreement and everything you need right here. So now you know how to use Zenbusiness for your LLC formation. And again, if you want to get taken to this page directly, you can go and click on my affiliate link down in the description, and then just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.